Do you want to learn how to make money with PLR products? Then this video is for you. Welcome to the video. Today I want to give you a free tutorial on how to make money with PLR products. Before I get into how to make money with PLR products, make sure you smash the like button. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to make money with PLR products to build your business online, then click the link below. PLR products are great resources for online entrepreneurs. They can save you much time and money. There are many different types of products you can acquire the private label rights to make money. The most common PLR products that are used to make money are ebooks, software, video courses, apps, audios as in MP3s, articles, and much more. If you want to make money with PLR products, then your best bet will be to purchase some digital products and begin marketing them to your target audience. You can use a PLR ebook or articles as lead magnets in order to attract your customers online. You can also bundle PLR products together to sell as packages. Lastly, you can use them as your own product or include them as bonuses to anything you are selling to boost your business and create repeat customers. If you are a business owner looking to expand, or you're an entrepreneur looking to start a business online but don't want to spend the time and the money creating a product from scratch, then PLR products are definitely the best option for you. If you want to learn how to make money with PLR products with a step-by-step tutorial, then click the link below and get your full in-depth video course now. In your How to Make Money with PLR Products course, you will learn how to get others to send you unique content for free to earn profits, how to use PLR products to generate massive amounts of leads to grow your business, how to use PLR products to grow your blog, how to use PLR products to grow your mailing list and turn your inbox into your own personal ATM, and so much more. Click the link below and master how to make money with PLR products today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment if you have any questions, and hit the subscribe button with the bell icon to stay up to date on any new content. Don't forget to click the link below to get your in-depth video course teaching you how to make money with PLR products. See you in the next video.